Are you over 25? Is undergrad way behind you? Distant memory. Are you closer to your 30s than you are to really anything else, including your mother? Are you noticing some changes? Can't bounce back quite the same as you used to? Are you sick of lying to yourself about just your own physical limitation? Are you experiencing any type of anxiety when people hit you up in the middle of the week to drink? Something that you used to love doing. You used to love doing it so much. What the hell happened? Well, you came to the right place. Okay? This is how you get prepared. Always have the damn belief, okay? Always. I know nothing hurts. That's the point. That's why we're taking it, so things continue not to hurt. 2 pill minimum. Minimum at a time, okay? Get you some water that you've already been drinking all day, right? You've been drinking the whole day, right? And a little bit of Rebel so you don't fall asleep, because you're gonna start drinking and then you're gonna think about your bills, you're gonna think about work in the morning, and you're gonna wanna go to bed. You wanna go home at 9:30, drink the Red Bull.